Hello everyone, in this video I will be demonstrating how to install CodeBlocks IDE for C programming. First, you go to Google and search for CodeBlocks download. I am assuming that you are using Windows operating system, especially Windows 10. So search for CodeBlocks for Windows 10 and the first link appearing, you go to that link. Here the CodeBlocks software binary releases are updated. So from the list of binary files available, you can go for the fourth one. This is the safest one because this comes with CodeBlocks IDE along with the MingW compiler setup. And there are two sources for downloading this software, ForceHub or SourceForgeNet. You can go for either of them. On clicking that link, the download automatically starts, or you will have an option to download by clicking a link. Normally it starts automatically. In my system it takes around 2 minutes to download 145 MB of the software. And since I have already downloaded it in my system, I am not waiting for the completion of this download. I am directly going to the downloaded version. So once you download, in your downloads folder, this software setup file will be available with the name CodeBlocks 20.03 mingw-setup.exe. You double click on that and agree for all the queries asked. Whenever next is asked, you press next, agree, again next. Then it shows the destination folder. The default destination only you can choose, you don't need to change it. And now the installation is proceeding. This will take 2-3 minutes to complete. So after that we will proceed to further things. Now that our installation is almost complete, it is asking, do you want to run CodeBlocks now? For time being, I will press no. If you want to run it immediately, you can select yes. Next, it is finished. Now let's see if the shortcut is added. Now on the desktop, I have a CodeBlocks shortcut. I can directly go and double click it and run it. Double click CodeBlocks and try to run it. Sometimes you may get an error like this, or you may not get it also. This may be the problem with my laptop. So in any case, if you get this error, click don't show this dialog again and proceed. In spite of that, you may get this error again, so you just ignore it and continue. Now CodeBlocks is launched. This environment we can use for typing a C program, compiling it and executing it. I will demonstrate that process in a different video.